Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Excel and enable the Developer tab so you can access macros and VBA. Go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon and check Developer. Next, open Trust Center Settings and choose Macro Settings to enable macros or to prompt for digitally signed macros. Also open Trusted Locations and add your project folder to avoid Excel blocking macros. This reduces security prompts and ensures macros run when opening saved files. After creating or recording a macro, use File then Save As to preserve it. In the Save As dialog, choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook and confirm the XLSM extension. Excel will warn that only macro-enabled formats keep VBA code. Accept the prompt and overwrite if needed. Saving as. XLSM stores all modules, class modules, and forms inside the workbook file. This is the only workbook format that preserves macros for later use and distribution. To reuse macros across files, save them in Personal, XLSB, or as an add-in, Record, or move your VBA modules into Personal, XLSB so Excel loads them at startup for every workbook. Alternatively, export modules and save them inside an Excel add-in using the XLAM file type. Then install the add-in via File, then Options, then Add-ins, and manage COMs or Excel add-ins. This approach gives global access while keeping individual workbooks clean and macro-enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.